Now I want to simplify rational expressions, so before I start with rational expressions, I'm going to review simplifying fractions. I want to simplify 8 over 12, so to do this I will factor out a factor from the numerator and the denominator. So 8 is equal to 4 times 2, and 12 is equal to 4 times 3. When I have 4 over 4, that's equivalent to 1, so 8 over 12 would equal 2 over 3. I can do something similar with rational expressions. So for 2x plus 6 over x squared minus 9, I can factor the numerator and the denominator. The numerator becomes 2 times x plus 3, and the denominator becomes x minus 3 times x plus 3. So since x plus 3 over x plus 3 is equivalent to 1, I end up with 2 over x minus 3. So to simplify rational expressions, factor the numerator and the denominator, and then use the property that anything over itself is 1. A quick warning, the expression 2x plus 7 over 5x is in lowest terms already. So although x is a factor of the term 2x, x is not a factor of 2x plus 7, the entire numerator, so I cannot cancel x out of the numerator. Likewise, the expression x plus 3 times x plus 5 plus 4 all over 7 times x plus 3 is in lowest terms already. The expression x plus 3 is not a factor of x plus 3 times x plus 5 plus 4. In other words, x plus 3 is not a factor of the entire numerator. It is part of one of the terms. So when I'm simplifying rational expressions, remember that I can only cancel factors. I cannot cancel terms. Example 4, I want to simplify 20x squared over 12x to the 4th. So 20 and 12 both have 4 as common factors. So 4 goes into 25 times, and 4 goes into 12 3 times. So I end up with 5x squared over 3x to the 4th. Then if we remember our rules about exponents from chapter 7, I have 5 over 3 times x to the 2 minus 4. So this would give me 5 over 3 times x minus 2, which would give me 5 over 3x squared. Now I want to simplify 5t plus 15 over t squared plus 5t plus 6. So I want to simplify the numerator and then simplify the denominator. So I can factor a 5 out of the numerator. I end up with t plus 3. And out of the denominator, notice that the leading coefficient is 1. So 1 times 6 gives me 6. The factors of 6 that add together to give me 5 are 2 and 3. So now I have my numerator and denominator factored. I can cancel the t plus 3 and the t plus 3, and this will leave me with 5 over t plus 2. Example 5. I want to simplify the right-hand side of the equation f of x equaling 2x squared minus 6x minus 20 all over 2x squared minus 50. So the first thing I'm going to do is simplify the numerator and the denominator. So I'll factor a 2 out of the numerator, and I'll factor a 2 out of the denominator, and then I'll factor the trinomial and the binomial. So x squared minus 3x minus 10 gives me x minus 5 times x plus 2, and x squared minus 25 gives me x minus 5 times x plus 5. So the 2's and the x minus 5's will cancel, and I'll be left with x plus 2 over x plus 5. So we can describe f by the equation f of x equaling x plus 2 over x plus 5, where the domain is all real numbers except minus 5 and 5.